Hello, amazing math explorers, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for a magical math adventure today? I sure am, because we're going to unlock the secrets of one of the coolest numbers out there, the number 9. That's right, we're diving into the 9 times table. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll see it's way easier and more fun than you think. So grab your thinking caps and let's get started. First things first, what is multiplication? Think of it as super fast adding. When we say 9 times 1, we're just saying we have one group of 9. So what's that? It's just 9. Easy peasy. So 9 times 1 equals 9. Now, what about 9 times 2? That means we have two groups of 9. We can think of it as 9 plus 9. Let's count it out. 9. Counting up to 18. Right. So 9 times 2 is 18. Nice work. Let's keep this rhythm going. For 9 times 3, we add another 9 to 18. So 18 plus 9 is 27. You're getting the hang of it. 9 times 3 equals 27. Now, here comes the first super cool trick with the 9 times table. Look at the answers we have so far. 9, 18, 27. Do you see a pattern? Let's look at the digits. For 18, if you add 1 plus 8, what do you get? You get 9. What about 27? If you add 2 plus 7, you get 9 again. Isn't that amazing? Every single answer in the 9 times table has digits that add up to 9. Let's see if it continues. Next up is 9 times 4. We take our last answer, 27, and add 9. We will get 36. So 9 times 4 equals 36. Now, let's test our trick. What is 3 plus 6? It's 9. The magic continues. Moving on to 9 times 5, we take 36 and add 9. That gives us 45. And what's 4 plus 5? You guessed it, it's 9. See, the 9 times table is your friend. So 9 times 5 is 45. We're halfway there. You're doing brilliantly. Let's try another one. How about 9 times 6? It is 54. How about we tackle another one? What's 9 times 7? That's 63, right? You know, 9 times 8 gives us 72, right? And if we add 7 and 2, guess what? We get 9 again. Isn't that cool? Moving forward, 9 times 9 gives us 81, and if you add 9 to 72, you get the same thing, right? Plus, adding 8 and 1 brings us back to 9. Isn't that neat? And finally, 9 times 10. We can add 9 to our last answer, 81, which gives us 90. That's 90. Let's check our first trick. In 90, 9 plus 0 is 9. It works every single time. Let's say the whole table together one more time, just to lock it in our amazing brains. Ready? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. Wow, you did it! You have mastered the magical 9 times table. See, math isn't scary. It's full of fun patterns and cool tricks. Thank you so much for joining me on this math adventure today. You are all superstars. If you had fun, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss our next lesson. Keep practicing and stay curious. See you next time. Bye.